Hello, I am Benoît Rihoux. I'm a professor at the University of Louvain, Belgium. I'm working on very diverse topics, but especially I'm developing research methods for comparative designs and using multiple methodologies, in particular QCA and case-based research to cover multiple research objects. And I'm teaching a lot around this topic. And I'm going to be teaching the comparative research designs, building and conducting your comparative project course in Vienna at the MethodsNET Summer School from 6 to 10 July. And let me show you a small graph, a small figure to summarize the course, the key course topics. The course follows a logical structure on how to build a comparative design, regardless of the number of units or cases, from very few cases, 2, 3, 4 cases, to a larger N. And it helps you to perform all the key important operations of a systematic comparative protocol. We start by asking why questions. Why compare? What is the added value of comparison? And help you to develop the adequate justification for going comparative. And there's many ways you can build comparison and for multiple purposes, and also to help you formulate your research question in a comparative manner, and to better help you meet your research goals. And then after this, I will go into the key operations of any systematic comparative design or any systematic comparative research, defining the cases. That's called casing. It's a demanding and difficult operation. Also having your concepts match your empirical observations, defining the cases, which in many situations is actually quite demanding. And then case selection strategies. How many cases, meaning in particular, am I going to privilege depth and only select very few cases, or am I going to go for diversity and larger N of cases? And which cases, what kind of cases do I need within a given population, which also means I need to define quite clearly the population of my cases. And all these three operations are kind of iterative, and that's going to be the heart of the course. And then after what to compare, how to compare, and that's the very multifaceted topic of data collection, systematic data collection across multiple cases, and also data analysis. And there's multiple ways you can analyze comparative data, numerical and non-numerical, richer data across multiple units, with qualitative methodologies, quantitative methodologies or methods and techniques, including statistical ones, and then specifically QCA or systematic comparative methods. So these are the core topics of the course. I am organizing this course across 5 days. The course is very interactive. It's based on your projects, and I adapt the course depending on the participants' needs. And I alternate some lecture-based sessions with group work, presentations by the participants, and one-to-one appointments between myself and each given participant. And we learn from the other participants, basically, throughout the course. The course is highly interactive. I'm there as a facilitator, and I can help you learn from the others and from also my long experience of managing comparative projects. It's a very much hands-on course. At the same time, it addresses fundamental issues of comparison. And the goal is to help you build your comparative research design bit by bit in a very robust manner, and to justify all your core choices. and help you conduct systematic comparison in a very solid way and following a logical sequence. And that sequence is frequently quite iterative. You have to go back to some initial choices and perhaps sometimes revisit your choices. You can follow the course as at a very early stage in your project, or perhaps also midway in the project when you need to consolidate your choices or perhaps to revisit some choices. So you're very much welcome to attend my course, and I invite you to join me in Vienna at the 2026 MethodsNET Summer School.